Most people look at my micro lab model and they ask me the same question. Chef, where are the big machines? Where is the factory floor? So they're absolutely shocked when I tell them the 80% of my revenue is generated by 5 simple high precision tools. Tools that fit inside a single kitchen cabinet. Those who know me for long, we started very lean, though we run a factory, but we started very small. You see, in 2026, you don't need a factory. You need a command center. Today, I'm showing you the 5 essential tools to turn a standard Indian kitchen into high profit luxury brand incubator. Yes, running from home. We are in the era of solopreneur. In 2026, lean is the new big. By keeping your equipment footprint small, you keep your overheads low. This allows you to spend more money on what actually matters: marketing and the highest quality beans. These are your two assets. It allows you to keep the profit for yourself instead of paying off a massive bank loan for machinery you don't use. I'll tell you in the masterclass why you don't use. Let's look inside the scientist's toolbox. The tool number 1, the high precision scale. We need a digital scale. In the bean to bar, we don't use cups or spoons. 5 grams of sugar is the difference between a masterpiece and a mistake. Yes, I really mean it. You need a 0.1 gram precision. Why? Because we are formulating small batches. We need that precision. Even a tiny error in the ratio of cacao butter will ruin the snap of your tempered bar. The fat ratios will change. The mass ratios will change. Measure everything, guess nothing. Tool number 2, a good infrared gun or a high precision digital thermometer is non-negotiable. You are not a cook. You are a master of heat. The IR gun allows you to monitor the stones, the roast, and the temper without touching the chocolate. Hygiene and precision in one tool. Now, tool number 3, the granite stone melanger. This is the heart. It is the slow refining engine of your business. It does the work of 10 people. I will show you why the granite stones are superior to the stainless steel and how they develop the flavor through friction. Trust me, conching is much better in that. Tool number 4, the convection oven. You need air circulation. A standard oven has hot spots that burn your beans. A convection oven ensures that every single bean from the top tray to the bottom tray is done equally and at the same time, at the same temperature. That's very important for us. This is how you achieve a consistent signature taste. Now, tool number 5, the vacuum sealer. That's the secret weapon. Cacao beans and finished chocolate are alive. They are breathing. They interact with oxygen. They oxidize. The vacuum sealer locks in the soul of the cacao in the same pack. It allows you to age your chocolate blocks for months, developing deep, complex flavors without the risk of contamination. Now, notice what I did not mention. I did not mention a 5 lakh grinder, a 10 lakh tempering machine. I did not mention a 3 lakh winnowing system. Why? Why would I do that? Because I can teach you to temper by hand. On a simple marble slab for 2000 rupees, a 3 by 4 or 2 by 3 slab, and the result will be shinier than the machines. I value skill over steel. When you have the skill, the tools become an extension of your intent. At our stage in life, we want simplicity. I don't want to manage a factory of complex machines. I want to manage a command center of results. Ready to kit out your micro lab without wasting money? I have put together the budget versus pro sourcing list and the lean startup guide. It shows you the starter version and the forever version of each of these 5 tools. Download it at the link below. Start small, think big, and build your legacy